Hi there, I'm Teddy Sumude with Remax First, and welcome to my latest listing. It's 1988 Elderberry. This house is located in the Quemazon subdivision. It's a beautiful townhome, sits on a beautiful Cul De Sac, very private. It does have a 2-car garage. It has 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. It does back up to the perimeter space, so there's nobody behind you. They have a beautiful back patio area that's fenced in. These sellers did a really nice travertine, tumbled travertine stone patio. It does have a nice covered patio, and then alongside is composite decking stairs down into the backyard area. It's a beautiful, well-maintained home. So if you have any questions, message me here and I'll get right back to you, but let's go in and take a look around. Okay, as you come into the home, you have this beautiful family room. I love the high ceilings. It boasts really high ceilings throughout the house, even in the basement. And then you have a really nice dining room. And then you have this wonderful gas fireplace. And then you have an open kitchen. You have really nice solid wood cabinets, lots of counter space. And then you have an eat-at bar. There's lots of room for baking. And then you look right out into the perimeter space off the kitchen. And then you have a sliding door out into the deck area. So you could barbecue out there, sit out there in a nice summer evening and entertain. And then another nice thing in this house is you have the main floor owner suite, a very nice owner suite with a really great bathroom. And then the owner's closet, they lined it with a cedar lined closet. So that's really great. It smells wonderful when you go in there. Then off of the owner suite, you do have a half bath, which is great for your guests to use. They don't have to go upstairs or downstairs. And you have a large laundry room and then the 2-car garage. All right, as we walk upstairs, you have a really nice loft area. This is great for a playroom, teenage hangout, crafts, whatever you need. Even a little gym would be nice. It does have a really large closet on the back side of the loft area that's great for Christmas decorations, storing luggage, whatnot. And then you have 2 really nice sized bedrooms and a full bathroom that feeds those 2 bedrooms. All right, now let's go downstairs and see the very large walkout basement. You do have a TV area here, game room, exercise room, gym, a really nice sized closet down here. Then you have a full bathroom and then the 4th bedroom. Off of the 4th bedroom is another very large room that would be great for extra storage and a gym. There's just lots of space down here, so use your imagination. It is a really nice space for hobbies, gym, families, hangout room, whatever. And then you do have the slider out to the patio here. It is covered with snow, but this is a nice little grass area. You have the covered deck above. And then you have the beautiful perimeter out there. There are trails and a nice area to walk around. The address is 1988 Elderberry. It is on a Cul De Sac located in Quemazon, which is a really nice location. It does have 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. So if you have any questions, message me here and I'll get right back to you. I'm Teddy C with Remax First.